Here I am going to discuss some important theorems. Very first, the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Given in circle COR, the vertices of quadrilateral ABCD are on the circle. To prove that angle BAD plus angle BCD 180 degree and angle ABC plus angle ADC 180 degree. Construction join AC and VD. In figure as we observe here, the vertices of quadrilateral AVCD on the circle. We join VD and AC. Here we observe angle 1 equals to angle 2. These are angles of the same segment. As we observe, join A to BC and join D to BC. Therefore, angle 1 equals to angle 2. Angles of the same segment. Similarly, when we join AB, what we observe here? When we join D from A to B, that is angle 3. Join C A to B, angle 4. Angle 3 equals to angle 4. This is also angle of the same segment. Now in triangle ABC, the sum of all three angles, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle VAC, 180 degree. Proof. Angle 1 equals to angle 2 equals to X. Suppose angles of the same segments. Similarly, angle 3 equals to angle 4 equals to Y. Suppose this is also angles of the same segment. Now in triangle AVC, angle 1 plus angle AVC plus angle 2, 180 degree. The sum of angles of a triangle. Write X in place of 1 and Y in place of Y. What we get? X plus Y plus angle BAC 180 degree. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle ADC 180 degree. Similarly, we can write angle VAD plus angle BCD 180 degree. This shows that the opposite angle. Theorem number 12. If the sum of a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degree, the quadrilateral is cyclic. Here we observe in quadrilateral ABCD, angle B plus angle D 180 degree. Prove that quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. That is, we have to prove that ABCD on a circle. In figure, ABC are three non-collinear points. So a circle must be passing through ABC because we know from theorem 5 of circles there is one and only one circle passing through three non-collinear points. Now we have to discuss the point T. Here we have to discuss the point T. As we observe, ABC is a quadrilateral and B plus D equals to 180 degree. Here we have to prove that ABCD is a cyclic. Now we observe here ABC non-collinear points. So ABC must be lie on a circle. If possible, suppose angle 1 plus 2 180 degree or 1 plus 3 180 degree. Here only I am going to supposing that the fourth point either outside from the triangle or inside from the triangle. As we observe, proof in figure, ABC are three non-collinear points. So a circle must be passing through ABC. If possible, suppose angle 1 plus 2 180 degree or 1 plus 3 180 degree. In figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle 1 plus 4 180 degree. Now case first. Now we discuss triangle ADE. Angle 4 greater than angle 2 because exterior angle of its angle greater than opposite interior angle. What from equation 1 and 2? What we observe? 1 plus 2 equals to 1 plus 4. That is 2 equals to 4. These two results make a contradiction. So only one possibility is that D and E coincide each other. Same thing we discuss in triangle ADF. Here exterior angle is 3. It must be greater than 4. In triangle ADF, angle 3 greater than 4. Using equation 1 and 2, we observe angle 3 equals to 4. This is also a contradiction. Possibility is only one, that is F coincide D. So we can say that A, V, C, D are on a circle. That's all.